Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Adding a border to a web page element can add emphasis and make the element stand out on your page. The property you use in your CSS rule is border. You can assign a thickness to the border by using a value of thin, medium, or thick. In addition, in order for web browsers to display your border properly, you must also specify a border style: solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, dotted, or dashed. If you do not apply a border style, your element will not have a border. After you have indicated which border style you want, you can also add a space and then a color value to change the border's color. It is generally a good idea to add some padding to elements surrounded by a border so that the text is easy to read. You can give your borders rounded corners by using the border-radius property. The value you assign can be in points, pixels, centimeters, millimeters, inches, picas, x height, or m. In this example, we have our internal style sheet, our selector $para1 for paragraph ID para1 with a padding of 20 pixels. We have our border property with medium for the thickness, a space, dashed for the border style, a space, green for the color, and then our closing semicolon surrounded by curly brackets. We have our second selector $para2, curly bracket, padding, the value of 20 pixels. And then we have our border with a value of thick for the thickness, space, groove for the border style, space, navy for the border color, and then we have our border-radius property set to a value of 20 pixels. So our browser will display our first paragraph with 20 pixels of padding and a medium green dashed border. And our second paragraph has 20 pixels of padding, a thick navy blue ridged border that has 20 pixel corners.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.